All right, so just quick update here on silver futures. I'm just closing my last batch here. I have to roll the futures. Just made some money here. And I'm going to roll to the next month here as I think the silver rally could continue. Okay, so I've rolled my silver futures to the next month. At this point, the expiration month is August, so I've rolled the July's to August. I think that's what I did at least. I'll double check. I want to remind you guys of sort of the big picture view here of silver. Again, remember this thing is volatile, so just important to keep in mind. Look, silver has a huge tailwind, not only structurally in terms of where we are, but also silver actually has the benefit of having an industrial use. And so, if you want to be technical about it, this is a chart that goes back to the 1980s, or basically since 1980, we've been tracing out this head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders pattern basically just means you've got, so not head and shoulders, no, cup and handle. Big saucer cup, imagine this is a coffee cup, like such. And then the handle. So the idea would be for this to break higher. If this ultimately breaks higher and actually works, silver could go to 100. Now, that's a multi-year view. If that happens, what also is interesting is that within this long-term thing, you actually have smaller cup and handles taking place as well. Like here, you have a saucer as well, and then a handle, and that's kind of breaking to the upside. So that's interesting to me. And then the next one to me that's really interesting is natural gas. I'll make separate videos on this. I literally just now also bought some natural gas futures. This one is, you talk about crazy. This thing is volatile as all hell. So wish me luck. But look, the theme is very simple, whether it's silver, natural gas, gold, um, oil to some extent, and of course the other metals like copper, which we're extremely bullish on, which is still in its infancy of trying to play out. There's the reason why these trades are working, and a lot of it has to do with well, at the margin, a lot of it has to do with the fact that we are seeing a tremendous amount of energy need, and people are getting long these things because of that. There is another point here, and that's important to note as well. The dollar is weak year to date. It's down like, I don't know, 8-9%. And of course, anything priced in dollars, if oil stays the same and dollar goes down, the prices of those assets priced in dollars, like gas and silver and other commodities, are going to go up, right? And that, by the way, that argument could potentially also be made for like U.S. tech, mega cap tech stocks as well. So, anyway, that's it. Hope it helps, and we'll see you again in the next video.